Hey, it's Michelle from the Bead Gallery, and today I'm going to show you how to put together this really cute kitty cat pendant with a few pieces. So first, when you do this kind of piece, we're going to start from the top of the cat first and work our way down because we want to swiggle the tail, and we don't know how much slack to leave in the wire, so we'll do that last. Plus, it's hard to find a long enough head pin to do the whole body and tail, so we're going to just use a piece of wire. This is 24 gauge half hard wire. It's about 4 inches long, and I'm going to start, because I'm starting from the top, I'm going to do my basic wire wrap loop. And if I want to make this into a pendant, I am going to attach it to my ring that I can use to hang it off of stuff before I wrap this shut. Okay, so I'm going to just pop that open, slide on our ring. So it's a nice bail. And then we're going to wrap this shut. You can do however many coils you're comfortable with. I like to do 1. Okay, so 1 complete coil for me. And I will trim that away. Then we're going to string up our cap. Push this down just a little. So we're going to start from the ears. My little cap. I'm going to do the head. I'm going to do body. I'm going to do the tail. You can make your tail long or short. I used 10 crystals in this tail. Well, maybe 9 because this one doesn't have a puka. It's okay. Quality control. Swarovski factory is a little lax sometimes. I'm going to stick 9 beads on there. And yeah, when you make curves in wire, or anything for that matter, the beads take up more space. So that is why we want to bend it a little bit first and kind of shape your tail however you want it. Like this. Kind of while pushing on the beads at the same time, so push them down like that. And then we're going to just trim to about, I don't know, like a 1/4 inch. And I'm going to use my round nose plier to just kind of roll a teeny little loop on the end of the wire. Everybody see that? And then you can shape your tail a little bit more. Like this. Okay, so now I have my cat. But I think I want to make my kitty a little bit more pretty. So I'm going to put a collar on it. So I pre-strung some 11O seed beads and this cute little crystal charm here. I'm not exactly sure how many seed beads I need to get around the kitty, so I started with 14, and I'm going to adjust it if I need to. This is strung on microcord because it's easy to tie. So let's see what this looks like. I'm just going to tie a square knot like tying my shoe. Oh, that's kind of big. I think we'll take off a couple of seed beads. So let's try 12. And I can take it off on one side. It doesn't have to be centered because the knot that the microcord makes is really tiny. So make sure that this crystal has a front and a back. Make sure that the back is resting against the body of the cat when you tie it on. Okay, so again, I'll just tie it like my shoe. Oh, that's much better. Okay, and then once I've got that done, then I'm going to tie a square knot. Like, oops, but don't catch the tail. And I'm making this look kind of hard, but it's not usually. that. And I'm going to tie one more knot just for insurance. Put some glue on the knot. Let it dry. And then you can trim away the tails really close. Just like this. And then there you have it. Well, let's turn her around. You have your little kitty cat pendant. Thanks for watching. Aloha.